The Burkle Automatic Titrating Burettes ensures accurate titrations in routine and advanced applications. Crafted with versatility, it accommodates left and right-handed users for safe, effortless operation. Its high-quality burette is made from Schott borosilicate glass and features blue ring graduations and a Schellbach stripe. Titrants are pumped into the burette by squeezing the chemically resistant LDPE bottle until the desired volume is reached. Once filled, titration begins with a turn of the microscrew. This action allows for controlled dispensing in individual drops or a fine jet. Pull down the microscrew lever and press the push button for even more precise dosing for optimal control. This apparatus is fully configurable to meet your lab needs, including your preferred burette capacity, height, and level of precision. Shop now at the Lab Depot.